Hello. This video focuses on the product detail page within the LAPP UK and Ireland online shop. To access all the benefits of our online shop, please ensure you are registered and logged in. If you haven't registered yet, the easiest way to join is to scroll to the bottom of any page and click Register Now. If you already have an account, simply log in to your profile. In the top right corner, you will see a green checkmark icon. This indicates that you are registered and successfully logged in to the shop. If you have a LAPP article number, simply enter it into the search bar, press Enter, and click the image to open the product detail page. Here you'll find the article number, product name, and a detailed description, each of which can be copied with a single click. Click the PDF icon to download the technical data sheet for this item. You can also switch between articles within the same cable family by selecting the required number of cores and cross-section. You will notice the article numbers update automatically. The shop displays the total price for your quantity and the price per 100 meters, with your digital discount applied. 3 length options are available: standard, individual, and remaining. There is no cutting charge for standard or remaining lengths. For individual lengths, simply enter your required meterage. If a cutting charge applies, a notification will appear. You can also specify the number of drums required, for example, 2 drums of 182 meters each. Finally, you will see the real-time stock availability and the estimated delivery date. The Stock Availability button allows you to view all current stock held in the UK and Germany. If this is insufficient for your requirements, you can check incoming entries and their estimated arrival dates at our warehouse in Germany. Scrolling down the page, you will find several tabs containing essential information. The Details tab highlights product benefits and application advice, while Technical Data mirrors the specifications but allows you to filter by categories, such as electrical parameters. For all associated documentation, head to the Download section. The article table shows all variants within the range, in this case 145 items. You can use filters to narrow this down, for example to 4-core cables with 16, 25 or 35 mm cross-sections. Once your selection is saved, you'll see color-coded availability. Green indicates stock is available in the UK. Yellow means stock is in Germany with a slightly longer lead time. Red indicates the item is currently unavailable, in which case we recommend contacting our sales team for assistance. The Reset Filter button returns all settings to default. From this table, you can also quickly add items to your basket or the comparison tool. The next tab is Suitable Articles. This tab allows you to quickly select the correct cable glands for the specific article selected. Right here. You can also find other compatible accessories in this section. If your required item is out of stock, you can check the Alternatives tab for suitable replacements. If you don't know the LAPP article number, we will cover that scenario in a separate video. Thank you for watching.